Hello, today I want to show you how you're able to make an email field mandatory. Let's say you want your user to create a new contact. I have already added some fields, but you want to make sure your user enters an email. Let's save and preview first name, last name, and create contact. So if I look at my Salesforce, I see that I was able to create the contact. But again, you want to make sure your user creates a contact that includes an email. So let's make this field mandatory. Click on your field and settings, click interactivity, and check off mandatory. Let's save and preview. Now let's attempt to create the contact without the email. Now we get a message telling our user that the field is mandatory and your user will not be able to create the contact unless an email is entered. Also notice that this field being mandatory has an asterisk right before the label. This will also let your user know that the field is mandatory. Now, after entering the email, I'm able to create the contact without any issues. And here we see it.